Hey guys, welcome back to another iOS development tutorial, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how we can use breakpoints in Swift, or in Xcode more like, because you could be programming in a different language. Breakpoints. So, I'm just going to use the Getting Started with iOS development series. It's just like how to use Xcode and things like that. So it's not specifically for getting started anymore, but it's just how to improve your workflow with Xcode and just, yeah, things like that. So breakpoints are quite simple once you get used to them, but basically if you just click on a line number, you'll see this blue thing comes up, and basically what this is when your app starts, it'll actually start going through these. So if I run the app now with nothing in it, it'll just stop at this because this is the first thing. So they go in order. That's why you need to make sure your code's in order, like sort of chronological order of what's going to happen. And our app will just stop now because like we have a breakpoint. And so you see it stops there, and this, you might think that it's an error, but since it's green, it's just stopped because we've actually made it stop. And now we can just go through all the variables. We don't have any, so I'm going to be showing you guys how we can actually use that now. So what I can do, delete all of these and stop the app. And like I said in a previous tutorial, right, you can actually create different tabs and just add breakpoints to make it even more realistic. But for now, what I'm going to do is, let's say we have a letter, we'll just say int equals 0. I'm not really sure how I'm going to explain this, but let's just print this int, and let's say over here do something to it. So let's just print this, and I'm not really sure how I'm going to explain this, but so 0, and one way of, okay, so now let's say this doesn't print what you want it to print. So let's say here we're meant to change a number, and then the output isn't actually what you want it to be. So what you could do is print the int here, and then print it after what you did, and you know, that works as well. So this is this one, the second one is this one, and the third one is this one. But what you could also do is you could just set up a breakpoint here. You can set up a breakpoint here and here. So now what we can do is, it won't really do anything, but it stops here, and I think it just latches onto the next line since these are all blank lines. But we can just go over int and it tells us what it is. So yeah, you can use this for more complex scenarios if you just want to stop your code and then see what's happening at that exact moment. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. That was how you use breakpoints. Bye!